Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, this is a shorthand dictation at the speed of 100 words per minute on disrupting the question hour by government. So get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. We, the people of India, gave ourselves a constitution that prescribes for our democracy a parliamentary form of government in which the executive is accountable to the electorate through a legislature which in turn is periodically elected by the electorate. This accountability lies at the heart of democratic government and is implemented through procedures put in place by the legislature, whose functions include law making, controlling the nation financial and approving taxation proposals and having discussions on matters of public interest and concern. Each of these functions is discharged daily or periodically during sittings of the legislature and cover questions, adjournment, motion, calling attention, half an hour discussion, motion of no confidence, question of privilege, etc. Instruments of accountability. Among these instruments of accountability, the daily question hour has an unmatched critically on account of its regularity and its availability on a basis of equality to every member of the House, Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. It has a special significance in the proceedings of Parliament since it covers every aspect of government activity, domestic and foreign. The government of the day is thus helped to feel the pulse of the nation and give the public a view of the performance of both of its elected representatives and of the ministers. Those who fumble are rarely forgotten. Para. The rules of procedure in both houses prescribe the operational details. These include inter alia the notice board, conditions of admissibility, balloting, and a host of other procedural or regulatory prescriptions. Questions are addressed to a specific minister of the government and can seek oral answers marked by an asterisk or a written one. The veracity of the answers given are matters of utmost importance, and rules permit corrections of inaccuracy by the minister concerned. Copies of answers given are available to members at the notice office before the start of the day's proceeding as also on the website. Para. Seeking the specifics. Since questions are generally pointed, specific, and confined to one issue only, they tend to elicit specific information from the government. Our parliamentary history records instances of answers given to questions leading to wider debates, inquiries, and even administrative scandals. Even otherwise, the information so made available adds to public information essential to inform debates on matters of interest or concern. The advantage to the government is that its position in the matter is authoritatively explained. By the same logic, incomplete or unsatisfactory answers induce resort to other forms of accountability mentioned above. Para. For this reason, members of parliament and the interested citizens attach much importance to questions in parliament and have been taken aback by the peremptory announcement in parliamentary bulletins this week that in the forthcoming session of parliament monsoon session that starts on September 14th that there will be no question hour. The stated reason for this is the situation created by the COVID-19 pandemic.